In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a quote in Zoho Books step by step. Now, if you're new to Zoho Books, you might notice that quotes are actually called estimates inside the platform. Businesses typically send quotes to customers before starting work, so the customer can review pricing, approve the scope, and confirm the order. Once the quote is approved, it can easily be converted into an invoice, which makes the entire sales process much faster and more organized. So if you want to learn how to quickly create a professional quote inside Zoho Books, you're in the right place. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into Zoho Books and create our first quote. Once you're logged into Zoho Books, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the Estimates section. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu, where Zoho organizes all of your accounting and sales features. Look for the Sales section in that sidebar. Under Sales, you'll find options like Customers, Invoices, Payments Received, and Estimates. Since Zoho Books uses the word estimate instead of quote, this is where you'll go whenever you want to create or manage quotes for your customers. Click on Estimates to open the Estimates page. Here you'll see a list of any quotes or estimates that have already been created in your account. To create a new quote, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the plus New button. Zoho Books will now open the Estimate Creation page, where you can enter all the details for the quote you want to send to your customer. Now, let's start filling out the customer details for this quote. The first field you'll see is Customer Name. Click inside this field and choose an existing customer from your list. If the customer hasn't been added yet, you can quickly create one by clicking the plus New Customer option and entering their information. Next, you'll see the Estimate Number field. Zoho Books can automatically generate this number for you, which is the easiest option because it keeps your quotes organized and sequential. However, if your business uses a custom numbering system, you can also manually enter your own estimate number here. After that, you'll see the Reference Number field. This field is optional, but it can be useful if you want to link the quote to a purchase order, project number, or internal reference used by your company or your client. Once the basic customer details are entered, scroll down to the Item section, where you'll add the products or services you're quoting for the customer. Click the Item field and select an item from your product or service list. If the item doesn't exist yet, you can create a new one directly from this screen. After selecting the item, enter the quantity, rate, and any applicable tax information. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the total amount for the quote based on the information you enter. You can continue adding multiple items if your quote includes several services or products. Before finishing, take a moment to review the estimate details. You can add notes for the customer, include terms and conditions, or attach additional information if needed. When everything looks correct, click Save to create the quote. From here, you can send the estimate directly to the customer by email or convert it into an invoice once the customer approves it. And that's how you create a quote or estimate inside Zoho Books. It's a simple process that helps you send professional pricing to customers and keeps your sales workflow organized. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Zoho tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.